Cryptology. So what is it? Cryptology is the field of studying, reading, and writing codes. Cryptanalysis is analyzing codes. Cryptography is writing codes. Those are three big differences with each other. So when did cryptology start? Well, cryptology started pretty much as soon as people figured out how to talk to each other. For example, Spartans used cryptography as early as the 4th century. The earliest signs of codes discovered were by the ancient Egyptians. The various types of codes and examples. There are probably like a bunch of ways that codes are made, and ways that are used to solve them. Let's go take a look at all of them. This will take about like 30 minutes. JK. A basic type of code is called the substitution and additive. This method revolves around switching characters with other characters that go in a sequence. For example, ABC would become DEF. What would this phrase be if the strategy is to move one letter back? Well, it would say, I'm gonna pop some tags. The Scutali. The Scutali is a tool of which a message would be wrapped around it. It was used by Spartans and ancient Greeks. Scutali needed to have the right circumference and length for the message to be properly read. Public key cryptography. This method uses two keys, a public and a private. This public key would be large enough for anybody to see. The private key would be two whole numbers, excluding one in itself. One of those numbers would be used as a perfect divisible, and the second number would be the answer. For example, Z would become key, Z would be the public key, X and Y would be the private keys. Y would equal Z divided by X. Because there's a whole bunch of numbers that could be used, it would be nearly impossible to know what the private key would be. Problems. The problems with these methods is that they're not perfect. For the first example, with the additive and substitutive, is that one could solve it through trial and error. Example 2, with the Scutali, a person could just wrap the message around something and adjust the width accordingly. Example 3, with the public key cryptography, someone might just take a lucky guess. That would be bad. So what type of jobs could these professions get you? Many professional jobs would land you in government departments or high-end companies, like the FBI, CIA, Microsoft, and more jobs that would need security and intelligence. So how much cash money would you get? Well, if you actually knew what you were doing, the starting pay could be like 35K to 60K a year. Professionals would be making like 80K a year plus. And that's about it.